Let us see the factors affecting photosynthesis. Well, these factors have been classified into external factors and internal factors. The external factors include light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration, temperature and water content, while the internal factors include chlorophyll, protoplasm and structure of leaf. So, let us first of all discuss the external factors. When we talk about light intensity, one thing is going to come into your mind, that by increasing the light intensity, the rate of photosynthesis is going to increase. So, by increasing light intensity, yes, the rate of photosynthesis is going to increase, but up to a certain limit, and that limit is associated with carbon dioxide concentration. So, these two are linked. Let us see how. When you talk about increasing the light intensity, I just make a graph for you. At 0.02% concentration of carbon dioxide, the light intensity is increasing, the rate of photosynthesis is going to increase. So, it is going to increase, but at this point when we have the carbon dioxide concentration at 0.02, it is going to get what? It is going to get stabilized in this way. It is going to get stabilized. But if after this we are going to increase the carbon dioxide concentration from 0.02 to 0.05, then this can further help in the increase in the rate of photosynthesis, then again to a certain limit, and after this it is going to get stabilized. So, this is how the external factors are there that are going to affect the photosynthesis rate. So, we have discussed light intensity and carbon dioxide concentration. I am just going to explain it again to you so that you have a clear idea, fair idea about this. By increasing the light intensity, definitely the rate of photosynthesis is going to increase. But this is related to carbon dioxide concentration. Now, how it is linked to carbon dioxide concentration? At a concentration of 0.02, the light intensity is increased, the photosynthesis rate is increased, but when the CO2 concentration is this, then after some time there will be stability in the rate of photosynthesis. But if the carbon dioxide concentration is increased from 0.02 to 0.05, then this is going to lead to what? It is going to lead to increase in the rate of photosynthesis, right. So, this is how both these factors are interrelated. Then let us talk about temperature. In case of temperature, 35 degrees Celsius is the optimum temperature, right, because beyond 40 degrees Celsius, right, what is going to happen? This is going to deactivate the enzymes. It is going to deactivate the enzymes that are required to carry the process of photosynthesis. So, temperature optimum is 35 degrees Celsius, that should be there, which is going to help in photosynthesis. If we are going to increase the temperature, then this is going to deactivate the enzymes and the rate of photosynthesis is going to decrease. So, till 35 degrees Celsius, every 10 degrees Celsius rise in temperature is going to double the rate of photosynthesis. For example, if the temperature was 22 degrees Celsius and we increase it by 10 degrees Celsius, means we make it as 32 degrees Celsius, right. So, what is going to happen? The rate of photosynthesis is going to double itself with every 10 degrees Celsius rise in temperature. Then let us talk about the water content. If the water content is reduced, say for example, there is no absorption of water, there is no availability of water in the soil, or the water loss is there because of transpiration, then what is going to happen in this case? In this case, if the water content is low, then the diffusivity will also be low, right. So, lowering the water content means we are going to decrease the rate of photosynthesis. So, this is how the external factors, they affect the rate of photosynthesis. Then let us move to internal factors. We have chlorophyll. If there is mineral deficiency in the plants, for example, you must know that in the structure of chlorophyll we have magnesium. What do we have? We have magnesium. So, if there is no availability of minerals, or you can say if there is deficiency of minerals, then the chlorophyll is also going to be deficient. If this is going to be deficient, then the rate of photosynthesis is going to be affected. It is also going to be low. Next we move on to protoplasm. In case of protoplasm, if there is less water content, right? So then also the rate of photosynthesis is going to be low. Then the structure of leaf, if you talk about epidermis, cuticle, so the structure of leaf is also going to affect the rate of photosynthesis, means the cuticle should be thin, it should be transparent, so that there can be proper amount of photosynthesis that is going to take place. So these are the internal factors that are going to affect the rate of photosynthesis, that is chlorophyll, protoplasm and structure of leaf. Just remember these points. I hope that you can explain them, you can elaborate these points on your own.